welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Aki and you're welcome to this channel. So guys, I've not done a video since 2022 started. This is my first video, so guys, I hope you enjoy it. I fortunately recorded a few days of what I've been eating, and yeah, I hope you're going to enjoy it because I tried eating a little bit healthy. Yeah, so guys, I hope you enjoy it, and if you've not subscribed, please do, and thank you, and like please, and comment, and maybe yeah. So guys, enjoy.
Into the place, a spot you from a ways. My heart, it started racing. The crowd across the way, flowers on your face, and then I'm from the 80s. So
I'm gonna show you my haul, the things that I bought actually. So yeah, here they are. I'm just gonna show you a haul. So the first thing I bought is this bread. It's whole grain. I know I'm not supposed to take normal bread in dieting, but this one is recommended. Yeah. So yeah. And then I bought one cucumber. I bought green tea. Yeah. I bought nuts. Then I bought this natural yogurt. This isn't flavored, so I'm not supposed to take flavored yogurt. So that's why I bought it. Then I bought some coconut flakes. Some coconuts. What am I gonna say? Yeah, some coconut flakes, I guess. And I bought oats mainly for my breakfast because yeah. Then I bought some avocado. And some lemon. And then the last thing I bought was some grapes. The last thing I bought was some grapes. This one is called when I take what is it called? When I'm dieting, I have to take a lemon. Yeah, so that's everything I bought. I'm gonna put them aside as yeah. And right now I'm so hungry, so I'm gonna make myself a snack. Yeah, maybe I'll eat some nuts or maybe
keeps backing away. I can't feel farther away. Wait on a moment to say that I want you. You know that I want you. Across the road. Across the road. Lost in a daze. I caught your sudden gaze, and time it started racing. But moments tend to fade.
So the first thing I do in the morning, I cut in half a lemon and some water, and I squeeze the lemon and some warm water and drink it before I take anything else. Like I take my breakfast before I take my breakfast. That's the first thing I do. Yeah. So for breakfast, I'm going to be having some oats.
And if you could read my mind, will you make
I let my oats cook for about 5 minutes. I like to have my oats with some bananas, some bananas to give it taste. I also put a little bit of cinnamon. Yeah. I also put a little bit of some coconuts. Yeah, and that's it. Enjoy your breakfast. For lunch, I had some leftover rice and some vegetables from last night. Yeah. I later on decided to do some dishes, and that's it for the day, because I didn't shoot for what I ate during dinner. So for breakfast today, I'm gonna be having some smoothie bowl of mangoes and a few of some frozen bananas. And I expected my smoothie to be a little bit thick, but I put a lot of water. Yeah, and it didn't come out as thick as I wanted it to. So yeah. So I'm gonna be topping my smoothie with some bananas and grapes and a little bit of peanut butter. Yeah.
Someone keeps blocking my way. I can't feel further away. Wait on a moment to say that I want you. You know that I want you.
So that's it for breakfast. Enjoy. Later on, I had some apples and the remaining smoothie topped with coconut for my snacks. Good morning. So today we're gonna be having some eggs, bread topped with avocado, and some chocolate tea, which I didn't like put sugar because I bought the one that contains sugar milk and yeah, that one cocoa sugar and creamer, so there was no need for putting sugar. So for lunch stroke dinner, I decided to make some salad, some avocado salad, make it with rice and some lentils. So I chopped some tomatoes, 3 tomatoes, 1 onion, and a half piece of avocado, and I put some lime in it, also some lime juice and salt to taste, and yeah, that was my salad. I had this with rice, lentils, and the rice and some lentils and this salad, and it was so good. That's why I'm gonna show you the whole process of how I made it.
Crowd across the way, flat was on your face, and then from the 80s. Someone keeps blocking my way. I can't feel farther away. Wait on a moment to say that I want you. You know that I want you. Sudden gaze and time it started racing, but moments tend to fade and you're too far away from me to get my name in. Someone keeps blocking my way. I can't feel further away. Wait on a moment to say that I want you. You know that I want you.
So that's supper. Enjoy, guys, and thank you guys for watching my video. Till next time, guys. Bye bye.